If you want to make a Squarespace section smaller, whether you're trying to reduce extra white space, tighten up a layout, or make your page look more polished, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to do it. And if this helps you save time on your website, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Squarespace tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Squarespace page and click Edit in the top left corner of the page. This puts you into editing mode so you can change the layout of the section directly on the page. Now hover over the section you want to adjust. When you do that, you should see the blue Edit Section button appear in the top right corner of that section. Click that button to open the section settings. Once the settings panel opens, go to the Format tab. This is where Squarespace gives you the layout controls for the section, including spacing and size options. Here, look for row count. If the section feels too tall, lowering the row count can instantly make it more compact. Decrease the number of rows one step at a time and watch how the section changes as you do it. This is one of the easiest ways to shrink the overall height of the section without changing your content too much. If you want even more control, look for the blue square toggle at the bottom center of the section. You can drag that upward to shrink the grid manually. This is especially helpful if the section has a lot of empty space and you want a more custom-sized layout. Next, stay in the same format menu and find the gap setting. Set the gap between blocks to small. Reducing this space helps pull the content closer together and makes the entire section feel tighter and cleaner. Another setting to check is fill screen. If fill screen is turned on, Squarespace may be stretching the section to fill the full height of the browser window. Turn fill screen off if you want to remove extra top and bottom spacing and make the section fit its content more naturally. After making these adjustments, preview the page and see how it looks on both desktop and mobile if possible. Sometimes a section can look great on one device and still feel too tall on another, so it's always smart to double check before publishing. If needed, go back and fine-tune the row count, the gap, or the fill screen setting until the section looks exactly the way you want. Small adjustments can make a big difference in the overall design of your site. And that's it. Now you know how to make a Squarespace section smaller in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more Squarespace tips, website design tricks, and easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.